Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free plugin which will help you customize the dashboard of your WordPress website. You can change the color combination of your WordPress dashboard. You can select from different templates just like this. Or you can also change the color manually from here. And you can customize the widgets that you want to see on the front page of the dashboard. You will see different widgets are available. You will also see your server performance. The name of the plugin is WP Adminify. This plugin has the free as well as the premium version. I'm going to start with the free plugin and I'll show you how does this work, how you can customize the dashboard of your WordPress website. You can also customize the login screen of your WordPress website. So here you can see that I have added background image for the WordPress login screen. You can choose from different templates for the login screen. Now, not all the templates are available for the free version. So I'm going to install the premium version also, and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the pro version of this plugin. So let's see how we can customize the dashboard of your WordPress website using the WP Adminify plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. So let's go to plugins and click on add new. Here search for the plugin named as WP Adminify. So this is the plugin WP Adminify, WordPress Dashboard Customization, Custom Login, Admin Columns, Dashboard Widget, and Media Library folders. So you can also create media library folders using this plugin. So click on Install Now and click on Activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is asking you for the information. So let's skip this one. So now we are on the dashboard and you will see that the dashboard color has been changed. Right now it is in the white mode, or you can say the light mode. Here you will see the option dark mode. If you change it to dark mode, you will see the dark mode here. Now we are going to customize this look. We are on the WP Adminify. These are the plugin settings. You will see WP Adminify, dashboard widget, custom CSS, sidebar generator, server info. So all these options, all these features are available in the single plugin. And you will see different modules that you can control from here. So if you do not want to use login customizer, you can simply disable it and the login customizer will not be available. So you won't be able to customize the WordPress login page. If you do not want to create folders, you can simply disable it and this module will not be available. So this is how you can enable or disable the modules that you want to use. Now here you will see customize. Now we will start with the customization. So these are the templates which are already available. Currently it is using this template. The next option you will see this template. So you can change between the templates. If you go to the next template, it is not available. This is available only for the pro version. So we have two different templates that we can use in the free version. I do have the pro version of this plugin. So I'm going to install the pro version also and I'll show you how does this look. So here you will see body background. If I change the body background color, let's say this one. So this is the color that you see in this section. It will change. Let's save it. So refresh it. And you will see the color has been changed. So this is the body background color. So I'm going to revert it, clear it. And these are the danger button settings. You will see it here. This is the button. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. Just like this. Save it, refresh it, and you will see the settings. So if I click on reset all, it will change, it will reset all the settings. The next option is logo options. You will see the logo option here. So you can customize this logo. I already have uploaded one logo here. So from here you can change the logo. By default it will show the WP Adminify logo. If you want to change it, you can add or edit the logo from here. You can upload your own logo. I have selected this logo. You will see it here. And there are two different options, light mode and dark mode. So you can change the logo for the dark mode also. Just change it to dark mode and from here upload the new logo and it will be assigned to the dark mode. I'm going to select the same logo here. Select it, and this logo will be shown on the dark mode. If you do not want logo, you can simply use the text only. So here you can add your text, and this text will be shown instead of logo. Let's save it. Let's refresh it, and you will see the name is there instead of logo. We have selected the text for the dark mode, and for the light mode, again it is going to show the text. You can change it to image, save it, and it will show the image there. Right, next option is admin footer. So if you go down here, you will see this information is on the footer. This is the footer section, and on the footer you will see the server information, the PHP version. If you do not want this, you can disable that from here. So let's say I do not want any of this information, so I'm going to disable all these modules from here. Save it, and let's refresh it, and you will see all the information is gone. Let me open this dashboard in another window, and this is how it will look. So on the dashboard you will see the default widgets are there, and you will see these widgets are added by this plugin, the Adminify plugin. So it will show a recent post, user activities, system information. So it will show the PHP version, the WP version, all this information. So let's go back and let's go to menu settings. You will see this menu settings here. There are two different options, vertical menu and horizontal menu. Horizontal menu is not available in the free version. Next is admin bar. The admin bar will be shown at the top. If I open the website, and right now I'm logged in, so you will see the admin bar at the top. If you do not want to show this, you can simply hide it, and even if you are logged into the website, it is not going to show the admin bar at the top. Let me refresh it, and you will see that the top bar is not available now. So you can hide or show the top bar, and you will see the search form. Here you will see the search form, then light and dark switcher. This is the light and dark switcher. Comments on. So if you do not want this, you can simply disable it, and this option will go away. Comments icon. This is the comment icon. View website icon. This is the view website icon. When I click on it, it will open the website. So you can open the website in the same window, or you can open it in the new window. User off canvas menu. So this is the user. If I click on it, you will see a sliding menu coming up. So this is a new feature. This is not in the default WordPress layout. And on this menu, you will see the information about the user. You will see the user profile, and some other elements are on this sliding menu. You can close it like this. The next option is Twix. This will help you remove the unnecessary links, scripts, and styles from the head section. So these are the information. If you do not want any one of these, you can simply remove. You can see that there are many features that you can activate on your WordPress website using a single plugin. So I'm not going to go through all these settings. We will go through the customization settings only. Here you will see widget settings. Now on the dashboard, you will see all these widgets. Let's say WooCommerce setup. If I do not want to see WooCommerce setup, I can simply go here and check this one, click save, and this widget will be removed from the dashboard. Here you will see WooCommerce setup, refresh it, and you will see that widget is gone. So this is how you can control the widgets that you want to see on the dashboard. This is for the sidebar widget. Module settings. Now here you will see folders. Now let me go to media, and under media you will see a new feature is added, that is create new folder. So inside media library, you can create new folders and you can add your media into that new folder. So this is a new feature added using this plugin. And here you see post, type orders, quick menu, disable comments, duplicate post, and activity logs. So now let's go here, dashboard widgets. Let's leave this page. If you want to create a new widget, you can simply add new widget from here. Now let's go to the login customizer. We will see how we can customize the WordPress login page. Alright, so this is the default login page. You can customize it. Here you can go to templates, and you can use any one of these templates for the customization, or you can customize it manually. So if I select this one, publish it, let's refresh it, and you will see the new login screen for your WordPress website. So you can customize it using the templates. These templates are available. I guess only 3 templates are available, and all the other templates are only for the pro version. Now you can customize this manually also. Let's go back, and here you will see logo. You can add your logo here. Currently it shows WordPress logo. You can upload your own logo. And next is logo link. You can also add the link to the logo. Next is background. For the background you can select image, or you can select video, or you can also select slideshow. That is for the pro version only. So for the free version you can select image or color. So I'm going to upload image. Let's use this one. So this image will be shown. Overlay, you can also add overlay color here. Let's publish it, refresh it, and here you will see the changes. Now let's go to background. This is the background. The next option is layout. So you can change the layout. You can have single column or 2 column, horizontally, where you want to align, to the left, to the right, to the center. So these are the basic settings for the alignment. Next is login form. You will see this login form here. Next is form field. So these are the fields: username, user password, remember me. This is the button. For the button you need to upgrade to pro. This is the background color. Okay, we can change the color from here. All right, so we have the option to change the color for the button. Next option is others. Under others, hide remember me. If you want to hide this option, you can enable this and it will be hidden. Google Fonts, error message, credit. At the bottom you will see credit. This is the credit powered by Adminify. If you do not want to show it, you can simply disable it, publish it, and refresh it, and you will see that the credit message is not there. Alright, now let's go to the dashboard, and I'm going to install the pro version of this plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new. Click on upload plugin. Browse the plugin. I have it downloaded, so I'm going to upload the pro version. Click on activate plugin. So the pro version is installed and it is activated. So let's go to WP Adminify and go to customize, and you will see these options are available. So if you have the pro version, you can change the colors. You can use any color template from here, just like this. If you want to customize it, you can simply select this option and you can change the color manually. So you can have the control over all the colors. If I save it and let's refresh it, let me open it in a new window. You will see this new dashboard color. Now let me refresh this one and let's try to use any one of these templates for the login screen. Let's go to templates. Let's try this one. Publish it, refresh it. Alright, so you can see the new login screen for your WordPress website. You can again customize it. You can add your own logo and you can change the colors from here. So this is how you can customize the dashboard of your WordPress website using the free plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.